Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make flan in the microwave. Combine 1/4 cup of sugar with 2 tablespoons of water in a microwave-safe bowl. Heat for about 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown, stirring halfway. Carefully pour this hot caramel into 2 small ramekins, swirling to coat the bottom evenly. This creates the delicious base for your flan. Next, let's prepare the creamy custard. In a separate bowl, whisk 2 large eggs with 1 cup of whole milk and 1/4 cup of sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for flavor. Mix until just combined, being careful not to over-aerate. For the smoothest flan, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve directly into your caramel-lined ramekins. Now for the microwave magic. Loosely cover each ramekin with plastic wrap, leaving a small vent. Microwave 1 ramekin at a time on 50% power for 1.5 to 2.5 minutes. Cooking times vary, so check for doneness. The center should be mostly set, but still have a slight jiggle. Let them cool completely before refrigerating. Once cooled, refrigerate your flan for at least 2 hours, or ideally overnight. This chilling time is crucial for the flan to set properly and for the flavors to meld. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edge of each ramekin, then invert it onto a plate. The caramel will cascade down, creating a beautiful presentation. Don't forget to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade microwave flan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.